વેલકમ સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ. આજે આપણે ફાઇનલ એકાઉન્ટ પાર્ટનરશિપ ફાઇનલ એકાઉન્ટની વાત કરીએ છીએ. એમાં 8 નંબર સમ એક્સરસાઇઝમાંથી કરવાનો છે. લાસ્ટ લેક્ચર સુધીમાં બધા ફોર્મેટ્સ જે ફોર્મેટ મેં બે બોર્ડ ઉપર બનાવેલા છે, ટ્રેડિંગ એકાઉન્ટ, P&L એકાઉન્ટ, પ્રોફિટ એન્ડ લોસ એપ્રોપ્રિએશન, પ્રોફિટ એન્ડ લોસ એકાઉન્ટ, પ્રોફિટ એન્ડ લોસ એપ્રોપ્રિએશન એકાઉન્ટ, પાર્ટનર્સ કેપિટલ એકાઉન્ટ એન્ડ બેલેન્સ શીટ. આટલી વસ્તુ બનાવો એટલે તમારું ફાઇનલ એકાઉન્ટ જનરલી તૈયાર થઈ જાય. કશું નવું લેવાનું નથી. ટ્રેડિંગની વાત કરો, રિલેટેડ ટુ ગુડ્સ, પ્રોફિટ એન્ડ લોસ એકાઉન્ટ રિલેટેડ ટુ એક્સપેન્સ એન્ડ ઇન્કમ, goods related expense, purchase expense, production expense are here. Credit side sales, here expense other than trading expenses, incomes, partner will expense made by firm and paid to partner, so that expense is written P&L appropriation debit side. Received from the partner, anything income received from the partner, then credited. Cross entry, if not payable, if it is not paid, it's a payable or receivable, then two entries are there. Generally we can say if adjustment entry is given, then two entry, trial balance effect given, then only one entry, but related to partner only. These two accounts are related to partners. And last thing, balance sheet, liability amount, assets amount, that's it. Now going ahead, sum number 8 and Pratham Patel, read question number 8.
Sir. Brahma and Vishnu are partners of a firm sharing profit and loss in the proportion of 3:2.
Okay, so first of all, Brahma and Vishnu, two partners are there. Write down here, Brahma, Vishnu, Brahma, Vishnu. Their profit and loss ratio is given. So profit and loss ratio is 3:2. So write 3:2. So that whenever we are finding here profit, then its ratio 3:2. This profit we are distributing in the ratio of 3:2. Suppose loss is there, so loss also distributed in the ratio of 3:2. So write down here. Next.
From the trial balance dated 31/3/2017 and adjustment, prepare annual accounts of the firm.
Now, on the basis of trial balance, we need to prepare final accounts of the firm. Now always see whole trial balance. In trial balance, credit side, trading account is given. It means we are preparing trading account, but small trading account. Because trading account balance is given, it means what? Trading account effects are already given. Now credit balance given, credit side given means credit balance given. So 97,250, 97,250, and here we are writing Balabidi. Suppose debit balance given, so write debit side Balabidi. Whatever balance is given, make small trading account and give entry. This is Kamal sir's method. Actually, if trading account balance is given, it means what? You don't need to write, you don't need to prepare trading account. This is the method, but we are preparing short trading account. Going ahead, next one beta. Sorry, next, second thing we have to observe, capital account balance is given. Credit side, capital account balance is given. Sometimes capital account and current account, two balances are given. Suppose capital account and current account, two balances are given, then here we need to prepare two accounts. First, partner's capital account, second, partner's current account. These two accounts we need to prepare. If in trial balance, capital account balance and current account balance, both balances are given, then we need to prepare partner's capital account and partner's current account. Same format as capital. We are preparing current account also. Suppose here current account is given. Then make line, rough line, partners, current account. But when we are preparing current account, if in trial balance, current account and capital account, both balance is given, then and then only we are preparing two accounts here. See, page number 80, sum number 10. Page number 80, sum number 10. In that trial balance, first is given Low's capital drawing, Khush capital drawing. It means capital balance and drawing balance is given. Then after current account Low and Khush given. Now here current account balance is given. So we need to prepare two accounts. Here current account not given. So we are not preparing two accounts. We are preparing only one account, and that is current account. Sorry, capital account. So it's my partner's capital account. Now credit side. Which items are given? Tell me. Pratham.
So capital account Brahma and Vishnu.
Brahma and Vishnu. Capital account balance is given. Now credit balance given. So write credit side. Balabidi. Balabidi. Credit side.
55,000 and 45,000.
55,000. 45,000. These are the two amount. Bhavya and Stroke. Simple. Next, credit balance.
Loan of Brahma.
Now loan is my liability. Brahma's loan, credit balance loan is always liability. So write down balance sheet, liability side, loan of Brahma.
50,000.
50.
Yes.
So 50,000. Loan of Brahma. That's it. Next.
Discount received.
Discount received. So discount received is my income. So write down P&L account credit side, credit balance, credit side, discount received.
400.
Next.
Creditors.
Creditors means my liability. I have to pay to creditors. So creditors is my liability, balance sheet, credit side. It's a credit balance. So creditors.
25,000.
Next,
Commission.
commission. Now commission may be given, may be received. So it should be expense. It may be expense or income. Here credit side given. So credit side means my income. So here we are writing commission. P&L account credit.
2,500. 2,500.
2,500. Next.
Bills payable.
Now bills payable is my liability. So balance sheet, liability side, bills payable.
$5,000.
Next,
Trading account. Already done.
trading account, already trading account credit side liability written. So my credit balance is completed. Now debit balance, debit side.
Drawings Brahma and Vishnu. 5,000. 5,000.
Now again Brahma and Vishnu both partners are there. Capital credit, drawing debit. So write debit side, drawing Brahma.
5,000. Vishnu also 5,000.
So simple. Here Brahma and Vishnu both draw same amount, 5,000, 5,000 return. Next.
Leasehold buildings.
Now leasehold building, whatever building is there, it is my asset. So write down balance sheet asset side leasehold building.
60,000.
Next.
Machinery.
Machinery is also asset. So write down machinery.
50,000.
Next.
Discount allowed.
Discount allowed. It means discount given to our customers. It is my expense. Debit side. Discount allowed. You can make discount format also, which we have already done in 11th standard. Discount allowed. So discount allowed.
350. Debtors.
Now debtors, it means I have to receive from debtors. Debtors is my asset. So write down here debtors.
40,000.
Next,
Carriage outward.
carriage outward. Now carriage inward is my purchase expense and carriage outward is my sales expense. So
Selling
here selling expense we have to write carriage outward. So carriage outward.
it. 1,200.
Next,
Furniture fixtures.
furniture and fixtures is my asset. So write down here asset furniture.
5,000.
Next,
Salary.
salary, bonus, commission, whatever is my expense. Now salary only given, it means expense written on debit side of P&L account. So salary.
7,500.
Suppose salary paid to partner, then written here P&L appropriation debit side. This is the important thing that you have to consider. Going ahead. Next,
Bad debts.
bad debt. Now bad debt is here in format. Always prepare bad debt format. So here I am making a format of bad debt. Bad debt, bad debt, bad debt reserve, one line skip, bad debt reserve. First three plus and last one minus. First three plus, last one minus. Now bad debt given TAAT, TAA and T. So here in trial balance bad debt given amount is,
1,200.
so here we are writing 1,200 rupees. Bad debt trial balance. Against T we are writing because trial balance effect we are giving. Any doubt up to this point? Anybody? Okay. Next,
Bills receivable.
bills receivable. So receivable, my asset. Here we are writing bills receivable. Amount
20,000. 20,000. 20,000.
so 20,000. Next,
Trading accept. Trading expense.
trading expense. Now expense P&L account debit side. Trading expense.
Trading expense. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. 5,900.
5,009. Next,
Cash balance.
now cash balance. Cash means my cash. My cash is my asset. So write down balance sheet asset side cash balance.
6,000.
Next,
Stock.
Over.
31/3/2007. Opening stock.
Stock. It's a closing stock, not an opening stock. Trial balance is on year ending 31/3/17. And stock is also on 31/3/17. It means closing stock.
Okay.
So closing stock, only one effect is given because it is given in trial balance. One effect, balance sheet, asset side.
Asset side.
Amount
73,000.
So 73,000 rupees is the closing stock amount. Again, I am repeating one more thing. Whenever closing balance given in trial balance, give one effect, that is in balance sheet only. If closing stock given in adjustment, two entries, trading account credit side and second entry, balance sheet asset side. This is the concept. Now, any problem, then you can ask me. Up to this point, trial balance 100% complete. Anybody, any doubt? I think this is the very easiest one topic. Write down trial balance entries in format. One thing is complete. Now, adjustment number 1. Who can give answer of adjustment? First adjustment number 1. See and raise your hand. Adjustment number 1. Very good. Pratham Patel, Dhyani, Jigar. Next. Anybody? Simple adjustment is given. Pratham Patel, read adjustment number 1.
Yes, sir. Provide depreciation 6% on machinery and 20% on furniture fixtures.
That's it. Provide depreciation. Now, how we can find depreciation? Only 3 students know. Other students don't know how to find depreciation. Okay, Jani beta, bolo.
Sir, machinery real price share 50,000, right? So 50,000 into 6%.
Very good.
Then we get 3,000.
3,000.
Then 50,000 minus 3,000, we get 47,000.
So 50,000 minus 3,000 depreciation, outer column 47,000, simple. Now what is the second effect of machinery? Depreciation.
In P&L account.
Very good. P&L account debit side.
Debit side depreciation on machinery rupees 47,000.
Sorry, depreciation is 3,000 beta.
3,000.
Sorry.
Depre on machinery 3,000. So 3,000 we have to write here P&L account debit side. Simple. Now this is the first calculation. Depre on machinery we are writing P&L debit because in bracket that is given office machinery. Suppose in bracket factory machinery given. Then what we
Trading
are doing?
Account.
Very good.
Trading account.
Suppose in machinery bracket given factory machinery. It means trading account debit side depreciation. We are right. Now, next, second depreciation also.
For furniture
20%
fixture,
on furniture fixture.
20% depreciation. So 5,000 into 20%, we get 1,000 rupees. Minus 1,000 is equal to 4,000. Second entry in P&L account debit side depreciation on machinery. Sorry, machinery furniture and fixture rupees 1,000.
Very good, students. First adjustment 100% right. And this all the things is based on 11th standard. Nothing new. New thing is what? P&L appropriation and partners capital only. Now second adjustment. Pratham Patel read second adjustment, and then after anybody can give answer.
Return of rupees 500 from debtors as bad debts.
Okay, return of 500 bad debt. Now here Pratham Dave, bol beta.
Sir, write off rupees 500
500.
from debtor માંથી minus 500 bad
Okay.
debts.
So debtors minus bad debt. 500 rupees. So we are getting
39500.
39500. Okay.
Second entry, P&L account.
P&L account where? Bad debt,
Bad debt.
bad debt reserve.
Adjustment.
Okay, bad debt
Bad
adjustment.
debt adjustment.
500 rupees.
500.
Very good, very good, very good. Perfect. So second adjustment, 2 entry completed. First adjustment, 2 entries completed. Now third adjustment. Third adjustment. Anybody has a textbook and you know answer, please raise your hand. Only 2 students are here. Pratham and Jani. Okay, Pratham, read question. Then we'll see who can give answer.
Annual salary of 5,000 and rupees 4,000 payable to Brahma and Vishnu respectively.
Okay. Annual salary payable to Brahma and Vishnu. Payable, not paid yet. We need to pay. Yes, Devanshi beta.
પેયેબલ છે એટલે પ્રોફિટ એન્ડ લોસ એપ્રોપ્રિએટ અકાઉન્ટમાં આવશે. આપણે બે ઇફેક્ટ આવશે કારણ કે એડજસ્ટમેન્ટમાં છે. તો 5000 બ્રહ્મા એન્ડ વિષ્ણુ 4000 અને પીએનએલ અકાઉન્ટમાં ડેબિટ સાઈડ આવશે.
4,000, total 9,000. Salary, Brahma 5,000, Vishnu 4,000, total 9,000. Now second effect beta.
Expense profit and loss account.
Profit and loss appropriation account debit side first effect. Second effect,
Partners capital account
credit side.
credit side.
So partners capital account credit side salary 5,000 in the Brahma's column, 4,000 in Vishnu's column. Completed.
Sir, doubt.
બોલો બેટા.
Sir, in case આમાં payable આપ્યું છે, right?
Yes.
If paid લખાઈને આપે તો direct P&L accountમાં જ entry થશે.
Only one entry. P&L appropriation account debit.
Sir, ખાલી just paid આપ્યું હોય તો બી?
Paid to whom? Paid to whom? Brahma and Vishnu.
હા.
It means P&L appropriation debit. Because they
Okay.
are partners. Then partner related expenses return P&L appropriation debit side. Simple.
Okay. And sir, આ નીચે આપણે કેમ entry આપી? Like partner capital accountમાં.
Last lecture માં discuss કર્યું. This is already discussed in
હા.
last lecture. If payable, then we are writing here. Otherwise, we are not writing here. Because this capital account is a part of balance sheet. In balance sheet, we are writing liability and asset only. Payable means liability,
Okay.
so we have to write here.
Okay, okay, got it.
Capital account is a part of balance sheet and profit and loss appropriation account is a part of P&L. One marker question can be asked in your examination. That is covered in chapter number 1. In chapter number 1, they can ask this question. Now, going ahead, next adjustment. Anybody? Next adjustment. Okay, Pratham Patel, read the question.
Commission rupees 500 is receivable.
Commission 500 receivable. Anybody can give answer. Tell me. Only Jani. Commission receivable. Answer only Jani.
Sir, P&L appropriate account in credit side.
Why P&L appropriation account?
Sir,
Brahma or Vishnu? Whose commission?
sir, નામ નથી આપેલું sir.
Just me. I know.
હા.
That's why I am asking Dhyani beta, commission received from Brahma or Vishnu? Is it clearly given?
No, sir.
It means partners commission is not given.
Oh, then
All the
we have to
commission is
write
there, so write in P&L account.
P&L account.
Simple. So commission receivable, we are receiving commission in future. So commission 2,500 rupees. That we are
Plus 500.
inner column. Commission 2,500 writing in inner column and plus 500 receivable. Outer column 3,000. Total income 3,000. Now receivable comes in second entry. Receivable.
Balance sheet.
Very good.
Balance sheet.
Balance sheet. Asset side. Receivable.
Asset side.
Perfect.
Outstanding salary rupees 3,000.
Outstanding salary Devanshi. Outstanding salary 3,000.
Sir, balance sheet debit side outstanding salary 3,000.
Balance sheet liability side outstanding salary.
Sorry.
So balance
Liability side.
outstanding salary.
And second effect, P&L account debit side.
P&L is my expense account debit side. Now salary 7,500 is already given, so that we have to write in inner column. So salary write in an inner column. 7,500 plus outstanding 3,000 plus outstanding 3,000 and total of these two 7 plus 3 10,500. So two effects: outstanding salary P&L account debit side and second liability side balance sheet. Two entries complete. Here also clarification not given. Here also clarification not given. Brahma or Vishnu salary. So writing in P&L account. If Brahma or Vishnu salary is there, then write P&L appropriation and partners capital. So all the adjustments are completed. All adjustments are completed. My sum 100% over. Now going ahead. Closing accounts. Make fast calculations. But right, one thing. Here trading account, no extra effect is given. Nothing is remained to write here. It means what? We don't need to write trading account. Cancel it. We are not preparing trading account because no effects are in trading account. So this credit balance we are directly writing here. Trading account 9,725. In bracket we can write gross profit. It's a gross profit for the firm. So I can write gross profit 97,250. Now make total 97,250 plus 400 plus 3,000.
1,06,50.
1,06,650. So total of credit side is 1,06,650. Total of credit side. Now total of debit side is what? But 5,900.
So 21,950.
Okay, so highest total is 1,06,650. So 1,650,000 credit side. Same balance we are writing here also. 1,650,000 minus total of debit side. We are getting answer.
78,700.
78,700 is the net profit. This net profit we are transferred to credit side. So credit side means P&L appropriation, credit side net profit, and this net profit transfer from P&L account. So write P&L account. From P&L account transferring net profit. That is 78,700. Now total of this side is 78,700. Here also we are writing 78,700. Deduct 9,000 minus 9,000.
69,700.
69,700 is the balance. It's my divisible profit. This profit we are distributing among B and V, Brahma and Vishnu, in the ratio of 3:2. In the ratio of 3:2. So what we are doing? See, 69,700 and 69,700
Into
multiply 3
3 divided by
5.
5.
Same way for second into 2 divided by 5. Now tell me answer.
41,820. 820.
Second.
27,880. Sir, 880.
27,880. So this 2 distributed among the Brahma and Vishnu. So we are writing here for Brahma 41,820 and for Vishnu 27,880, and total of this 2 is 6,970. This is transferred to Brahma and Vishnu capital account. So here P&L appropriation account 41,820
820. 27,880.
now close Brahma and Vishnu capital account. So we are finding balance 1 lakh
1,01,820.
and same way credit side. Vishnu also.
सर वो 45 है कि 43 है? First
45.
45.
45.
45. 76,880.
Same balance we are writing here also because it's the highest balance. Minus 5,000.
Minus 5,000.
96,820.
Here also minus 5,000.
71,880.
It's a Bala CD transfer credit transfer balance sheet. Brahma, Vishnu, capital 96,820 plus 71,880.
One 68700.
Now make total of both sides. It must be same. Make total. Students, both sides must be telling. Total is 206,700. This asset side also 206,700 must be there. Otherwise, some mistakes are there. Simple.
સર ઉપર 60,000 બાર લખવાનું છે ને?
Yes. So first leasehold building. Is there any hidden adjustment? Students.
સર છે.
हाँ सर लीज और
Now,
इसके लिए
hidden adjustment is not done.
અરે યાર.
Now loan of Brahma leasehold building. These two hidden
Sir.
adjustments are there. So students, in 12th standard, 4 questions we have to ask to yourself. 4 questions. 3 questions you know. 3 questions you know. Which are they?
Percentage, bracket, and
Date.
Bracket, percentage, date.
date.
These 3 questions you know because these 3 questions are done in 11th standard. Now one more question for 12th standard. That is loan of partner. If partner's loan taken, then there may be hidden adjustment.
Like sir, example, loan of Brahma. So
Yes. Here loan of Brahma is given. It means to Brahma we have to pay 6% interest per annum. For 1 year, we have to pay 6% interest. So, first of all, one adjustment is given, that is loan of Brahma and loan taken on 1/7/16. Now here I am writing loan of Brahma 1/7/16 and amount of loan is 50,000 rupees. Whenever no information given about interest on Brahma's loan or interest on partner's loan, any partner's loan is taken but interest on that payable information is not given, it means 6% interest we have to pay as per the rules regulation. 6% interest. Suppose there is
per year.
per year. Per year,
Okay.
6% interest. Suppose there is given 8% interest, then write 8%. 5% interest, then 5%. But no percentage given about partner loan taken from partner. Then interest is paid 6%. It's a rules of government that we have to pay. So here 6% interest we are paying. But loan taken on 1/7/16 and our year ending date 31/3/17.
31/3/17.
So 1/7/16 to 31/3/17. How many months are there? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
10,
12,
12,
1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, 3.
So 9 months are there. So for 9 months, we have to count interest and it is payable to Brahma. So again, interest on loan for 9 months, 6% we have to count. So 50,000
50,000 into
into 9.
6%. 6% into 9 divided by 12.
Very good. 50,000 into 6%. 6% is fixed for loan of partner. 9-month interest. So into 9 upon 12. Simple. Tell me.
2250.
2250.
What is the answer? 2,250 interest we have to pay to the Brahma. Now tell me 2 effect. 2 entries. Interest payable. Anybody? Interest paid or payable? 2 entries. Only
Sir.
one item which is given to partner but not recorded in P&L appropriation account. That is interest on loan. That is recorded P&L account.
P&L account.
Interest on loan amount is 22.
2250.
And liability side, balance sheet liability side, payable. So interest on loan of Brahma 22,250. So this entry is hidden adjustment. Anybody has a doubt, you can ask me, please.
No.
Now, who is left? 2 students are left.
Maharshi.
Maharshi and second Yagni. Maharshi and Yagni both are absent. Okay. Maharshi joined. Next.
સર અક્ષત પણ નથી આજે.
ના એ તો પહેલેથી જ નથી.
હરપાલ બી નથી શાયદ મે બી.
જે નથી એ તો નથી જ, પણ જે લેફ્ટ છે પ્રેઝન્ટ હતા અને લેફ્ટ છે એ વાત કરી. So first hidden adjustment complete, loan complete. Now leasehold building bracket is given. In leasehold building bracket is given 1/4/16 for 10 years. Now for 10 years we are using leasehold building. It means there is the hidden adjustment. 60,000 divided by 10. We are getting write-off amount for 1 year. 60,000 divided by 10. So 6,000 rupees is per year depreciation. One type of depreciation that we need to write off. So write off leasehold building 6,000 rupees. Again, I am repeating. This topic is already done in 11th standard question. So 60,000 minus 6,000.
54,000.
54,000 and 6,000 amount. We have to write here.
P&L account.
Write off leasehold building 6,000 rupees. If anybody has a doubt, you can ask me, please. Okay. It means no doubt. Going ahead. So
Completed almost.
what is the first change? Here 2 entries are written, 6,000 and 2250. So 78700 is the net profit, but from 78700 minus 6,000 minus 2250. Tell me new amount.
Minus 6,000 and 2250, right?
6,000 minus 2250.
70,450.
450.
So 70,000
450.
450 is my new profit, net profit. And that net profit we are writing here 70,450. That 70,450. 70,450 minus 9,000. બોલ બેટા.
61,450.
નીચે જે ટોટલ લખ્યું છે P&L એકાઉન્ટમાં એ પણ ચેન્જ P&L એકાઉન્ટમાં નીચે જે ટોટલ છે
હા
એ પણ ચેન્જ થાય છે ને.
કરી જો તો નહીં થાય.
અરે હા નહીં સોરી કેમ કે ઓકે પેલી સાઈડ છે બરાબર બરાબર.
બે એન્ટ્રી આ બાજુ થઈ ને ખાલી
હા ઓકે
એટલે ઓછું થશે કઈ વધુ નથી એટલે નહીં.
ઓકે ઓકે
ચલો 70,450 minus 9,000.
61,450.
Now 61,450 calculated on the basis of 3-2.
Sir, for Brahma 36,870 we get.
870
36870.
and Vishnu.
$24,580.
61,450 into 3 divided by 5. Then we are getting 36,870. 61,450 multiply 2 divided by 5. We are getting 24,580. These two amounts we are transferring to partners capital account. So here, partners capital account 36,870. 61,450. Now make total of both the sides.
Sir, for Brahma, 96,870 total.
For Brahma,
96,870.
and Vishnu.
$65,000. Oh, sorry, 1 minute. 1,10,450.
1,10,450. 1,10,450 minus 5,000. So balance is 91,870 and 1,05,450. Total of these two. So Brahma 91,870. Vishnu 1,05,450. Total of these two is what?
1,97,320.
197,320. Make total of both the sides.
Two lakh 80,000.
2,80,000. Here 2,80,000. How 2,80,000?
Sir, deb
2,80,570.
2,80,570. Asset side total. Something is missing. 100% something is missing.
हाँ सर એટલે તો મેં કીધું સર 2,80,000 આવશે.
Asset side 2,80,000.
नहीं
कितना है
सर,
तेरा?
एसेट साइड है ना, टोटल 2,44,000 आ रहा है.
2,44,000. अब यहाँ पे गड़बड़ क्या है वो ढूंढना पड़ेगा. હવે અહીંયા જુઓ
1,700.
બકા 1200-500 ટોટલ કરવાનું છે. 1200-500 ત્રણ આ ત્રણેયનું ટોટલ થાય. અહીંયા લખાય પછી માઈનસ કરીને આઉટર કોલમમાં.
પ્લસ ને
એટલે આ બંનેનું પ્લસ થાય 1700 માઈનસ કરશો
1700.
તો 1700 અહીંયા થશે. હવે 70,450 માંથી 1700 માઈનસ કરો.
સર 68,750.
હવે આવે છે કે પાછળ આન્સર સીધું થઈ ગયું. 68,750 હવે પરફેક્ટ આન્સર છે. તમે લોકો ટેક્સ્ટ બુક લઈને બેસો ને પાછળ આન્સર હોય છે. જો બને તો આવું કરું કઈ નહીં ઠીક છે.
ટેક્સ્ટ બુક જ નહીં સર.
68,750 આ આન્સર પરફેક્ટ છે. હવે અહીંયા એ અહીંયા જાય એટલે આને પાછું ફરીથી કરવું પડે.
અરે બાપરે
68,750
750.
અહીંયા પણ 68,750 અહીંયા 68,750 અહીંયા
minus 900.
59,750.
750.
અને આને ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુટ કરો બ્રહ્મા વિષ્ણુ.
35,850 બ્રહ્મા.
બરાબર છે. 35,850 પરફેક્ટ આન્સર છે. સેકન્ડ
23,900.
બંને ટ્રાન્સફર થાય અહીંયા તો આને કરેક્ટ કરો. જો ક્યાંય ભૂલ નથી થતી વિચારો. એક જગ્યાએ એક વસ્તુ ખાલી બહાર નથી લગી ટોટલ કરવાનું ભૂલી ગયા. આખા સમમાં આટલી બધી એન્ટ્રીઝ ખોટી પડે. ફર્સ્ટ સમમાં આટલી બધી ભૂલો થાય એટલે તમને ખબર પડે કે સર અમારી આવી ભૂલ થાય તો આન્સર ટુ ટેલી ના થાય. આખો ક્વેશ્ચનમાં ધ્યાનથી ક્લોઝ કરવાનું રાખવાનું. આપણે બધી એન્ટ્રી કરેલી છે. જો એક વસ્તુ બાકી નથી રાખી. હા હિડન એડજસ્ટમેન્ટ ભૂલી ગયા. હિડન એડજસ્ટમેન્ટ ભૂલી ગયા. આપણે 3 સ્ટેપમાં સમ કરવાનું. ટ્રાયલ બેલેન્સ કરો, એડજસ્ટમેન્ટ બતાવો અને પછી હિડન એડજસ્ટમેન્ટ જોઈ લો, સમ પતાવી દો, ક્લોઝ કરી દો, એકાઉન્ટ ક્લોઝ કરો, જ્યાં જ્યાં માઇનસ પ્લસ કરવાનું કરો, ભૂલ નહીં થાય. ઠીક છે, કઈ નહીં.
95,850. 95,850.
और 72,900.
इतना कम हो गया?
7. हाँ.
चलो ठीक है. -5,000
और 90,850.
-5,000.
67,900.
Now
Right.
these two transfer to balance sheet.
90,000. કેટલું થશે?
90,850
પ્લસ
67,900.
1,58,000. 1,58,750.
Now make total. $2,44,000 may be answer.
हाँ.
હા આવી ગયો.
Now both sides are telling 2,44,000, 2,44,000. Now our answer is 100% correct.
ક્લિયર. હાય ફાઇનલી.
ના પણ આ સમ એવો છે કે જેમાં એક ભૂલ, જેટલી જલ્દી ભૂલ કરો ને એના પાછળના બધા આન્સરમાં ભૂલ પડે છે. આ તમને લોકોને ફર્સ્ટ આન્સરમાં જ ખબર પડી ગઈ. આની જગ્યાએ ક્યાંય આપણે ખોટું લખ્યું હતું? ના, બધું સાચું લખ્યું. તમે કહો સારું સર બધું સાચું લખી ટેલી તો થતું નથી થતું, એનું રીઝન આપણે આવી ભૂલો શોધવાની છે. જાતે સમ કરશો ત્યારે ખબર પડશે કે હા આ રહી જાય છે, આ રહી જાય છે, આમ કરવું. અને હવે તમારું હોમવર્ક ફિક્સ. ઇલસ્ટ્રેશન નંબર 1 જાતે કરવાનું છે, જોયા વગર, પાછળ જોવાનું નહીં. ઇલસ્ટ્રેશન 1 જાતે કરો અને એની અંદર મારે તમે લોકોનું પેલું યાર ભૂલી ગયો શિટ, તમને ઓલી લિંક આપવાની હતી 11th સ્ટાન્ડર્ડના સમની, તે હું તમને આપી દઈશ. અને ભૂલી જાવ તો મને યાદ કરાવજો ને પ્લીઝ. અત્યારે હું લેક્ચર ઓવર કરું છું, સ્ટોપ કરું છું. બરાબર, બાય બાય.